and welcome back, everybody. If you want to transfer all of the photos from Google Photos to your Android device's gallery, in today's video, we are going to guide you through some methods in order to do so. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the Google Photos application for that on your device, and once you open it up, you may just go over and download individual photos or batches. So first method is that you can hold over the picture that you would like to download. After that, you can look out for the download option from the given options below if that download option is available and select it. Let me just show you an example. For example, something like this. So hold the picture, and once you hold it up, you can look out for the download option. You can even select the image itself and look out for the download option by clicking on the three dot in the top right corner, and then go ahead and finding the option called download. You may just go over and do so. You can also look out for share option to go over and share it uh, into different places where you can download it on your Android device's gallery. So this is one of the method available. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go over and download all your data using Google Takeout as well. So for that, you can head over, go to your browser, and if you go over to this takeout.google.com, you will be able to go ahead and download it in bulk. So you can go over to takeout.google.com and hit enter. And once you hit go, you can go over and sign in with your Google account, with which you need to do. After that, you can just go over and select the data that you would like to export. For example, you can tap on this option called photos from here. Scroll down and find photos, Google Photos, and once you find it up, you just need to go over and download that. Select that file right here. So you can select Google Photos from here, select the data to include it, and select the option for downloading it. Tap on next step, and once you complete it up, you can select the option to transfer the data to where. So if you want to send it via email, you can select that option, or even add it to Drive, Dropbox, etc. After you do so, you can select the option and file type and the file size, and just go ahead and click on create export, and the Google will prepare a file of all of your photos and send you a link to download it once it is ready. And you can transfer the contents to your Android phone this way. This is also possible. And that's it. These are some of the way you can try out in order to transfer all of the photos to your Android device's gallery. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.